Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says how to use na ebupu. Na ebupu. Na ebupu simply means is carrying away as a verb in sentences. We are going to look into a topic that says na ebupu. It simply means is carrying away. Let us see it. Igbo English. Number one sentence says, Ọ na-ebupu akpa ya. Class, repeat after me. Ọ na-ebupu akpa ya. Meaning, he is carrying away his bag. Ọ na-ebupu akpa ya. Ọ na-ebupu akpa ya. Remember, na a. It means present continuous tense. It shows present continuous tense. When you see the person, he or she is still performing the action. Ọ na-ebupu akpa ya. He or she be carrying the bag on his head or her head, carrying it. Where is Ego going? Ego is carrying his bag away. Ọ na-ebupu akpa ya. Have you seen it? That is, it is present continuous tense. It is a verb for present continuous tense. Number 2 says, Ego na-ebupu oche niile n'ilo or n'ezi. Again, Ego na-ebupu oche niile n'ilo or n'ezi. Ego na-ebupu oche niile n'ilo or n'ezi. Some are calling it n'ezi, some are calling it n'ilo. Just the same thing. It means outside. So, English says, Ego is carrying away all the chairs outside. Have you seen it? Ego is carrying away all the chairs outside. Ego na-ebupu oche niile n'ilo. When you see Ego, what is Ego doing? Ego is carrying away all the chairs outside. Ego na-ebupu oche niile n'ilo. You will see the person performing the action. That is what we call present continuous tense. Ebupu. It shows present continuous tense. Number 3 says, Ọ na-ebupu ha ugbu a. Class, again. Ọ na-ebupu ha ugbu a. Remember, ọ is a pronoun that represents both he and she and it. As nọchie in Igbo. So, ọ na-ebupu ha ugbu a. Meaning, she is carrying them away now. Ọ na-ebupu ya ugbu a. She is carrying them away now. Remember, is carrying away is our verb. Is carrying away, it means ebupu. Ebupu is our verb. It means is carrying away. When you hear na a or na ọ na-aga ahịa, ọ na-eri nri, ọ na-esi ofe. That is na ọ na-esi ofe. Na a ọ na-aga ahịa. It means it shows present continuous tense. When you look at the person at that time, he or she is still performing the action. That is what we call present continuous tense. Ọ na-aga ahịa, ọ na-ebupu. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.